Hi everyone, my name is Raza Shamsi, and to answer your first question, my music career actually started off like really late, around 19 or 20, and I was like really scared to go and ask my parents if I could go in the music business because no one in my family ever went in the music business. Eventually, they did say yes, and I started off my career as a DJ, which didn't turn out to be that well. You would say that that wasn't my true calling. After that, I started producing my own tracks, and I was really obsessed with the idea of adding different sounds together and making your own track. Eventually I started writing my own songs, and I wanted to sing them, but then I knew that vocally I wasn't prepared to sing them. I didn't have a very bad voice, but then I had to practice, and by practice, like practice a lot. This was like around 2019, and then I decided that by 2020 I want to release my first song. So I had a year with me. So after that I started practicing for at least 8 hours a day, and it said that you should only practice for around 3 hours. I was like, see, I have this 1 year with me. If I want to go hard at it, then, and I did the calculation. I did the calculation that if I practice around 2 hours or 3 hours a day, then it would take me around like 3 years. I used to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning, practice till 8 o'clock, then sleep, get up at 11, then practice till 11. Practice till 1. I'm sorry. I did see a very good progress within like 6 months. To 2019 December or 2020 January, I did release my first song. So I did overcome the goal which I set for myself. Till now, when I see me growing with each song, it really makes me happy because I know that with each record I'm putting outside, I'm getting better day by day. What were the ups and downs in my life? The biggest downfall in my life would be around like 2018 period, where I was just like sitting at home and I was producing music, and my DJing career didn't turn out to be that well. And I didn't know where my life is going. I think I was too attached to the end goal, and you can say that I wasn't mentally mature enough to face whatever problems were going in my life. But then eventually God did open some of the doors in my life, and I took those moments as an asset, and I started writing about all those times. And I got a few projects from here and there, and then I moved out from that phase. So yeah, if in your life you see some of the doors closing, then always remember that God is going to open another new door for you. So the first track music, you can say, which I put out was Teri Baatein, and that was around like 2020 Jan or 2019 December. And I was a bit nervous thinking about the external factors, what will my friends think and stuff like that. And I remember in 2019 when I started practicing, till like 6 months I didn't tell my friends that I'm going to sing my own song, because I thought that I didn't know what would their reaction be and stuff like that. But eventually the track did turn out to be really good, and it feels really good because I remember in 2019 I set a goal for myself that by 2020 I want to put out my first song. And when it came to like 2019 December, I was almost ready for it. I was in the middle process of Teri Baatein, and you get that self satisfaction when you do achieve you do achieve one of your goals. The thing which I promised to myself, I'm already working on it, and it was my friend Mark My Words featured on it, and it turned out to be a really good track. So yeah, by the way, it's on YouTube, go and stream it. And when it comes to moments where I've been at my highest state with every song I make, because I realized this one thing: when you keep learning and you keep putting in the work, you do see your progress in your work every day. So with every record I make, I keep getting better. So that is a very good sign for me, and that really makes me happy. So you can say with every track I remove, I get that energy inside me that I got really better and I tried something new this time. One word, yeah, just keep learning, just keep putting in the work, just keep practicing, because as I said, till date I still think that if you're learning, then that is called success. Success is not you thinking about an end goal or thinking about some materialistic thing. If you're like, there's another satisfaction when you go to your bed and you know that, like, you've learned something really good today. At least for me, it is like that. Like, keep writing every day. Eventually, you are going to get like write bad songs. And till day, to be very honest, today, I think yesterday, it's been like almost 6 months or something. I've been trying to write songs every day. I do miss some days. But I think yesterday or day before yesterday, I came up with a track which didn't turn out to be good. So there are going to be some days where the tracks are like, not going to be that great. But then eventually, out of like 30 days, if you keep writing, at least there'll be 3 or 5 songs which will turn out to be good. And who knows, maybe from that 5 song, that one song will be the song which is going to blow you up. And yeah, man, just like keep writing and keep progressing and keep learning. I feel eventually you are going to get better at it. Thank you.